Hey, so there's a really interesting use case that I want to show you using the Claude MCP connector with Puzzle. So right now I have this process called Reddit thread responses, and the notes within each one of these steps are pretty sparse, but I want mini SOP level notes. So what I'm going to ask Claude to do here is I'm going to ask Claude to go into Puzzle, find this section, read all of the steps, and then come up with like SOP level notes to then place back into each one of these steps. Because right now you can see like this step doesn't even have notes in it. This zap has a couple of build notes. And so I actually want to keep a lot of these details that I've already written. So in my Claude prompt, when Claude reaches into Puzzle, I'm going to tell it to remember what I've written and just expand on it. So let me go ahead and do it. I'm going to use Whisperflow to go ahead and dictate to Claude. Hey, Claude, so I have this process within Puzzle called Reddit thread responses. You'll find it in the GTM labs section. What I want you to do is I want you to pull all the steps and remember the step notes that I've already put in there, but I want you to expand on them as if they were mini SOPs and make the scope of this process very, very clear so that if someone came and read the process steps, they would very easily be able to understand how all of these steps contribute to the broader outcome that we're trying to create here, which is creating Reddit thread responses to relevant keywords. All right, I'm just going to press enter and I'm going to watch Claude go to work. This is just one of a lot of different use cases for Claude. This is the polish use case, which is you have created a map already in Puzzle, but you want to bring it to the next level to where it's like production grade documentation within the system. So this is one use case. The other use case is you already have production grade documentation and you prompt Claude to ask questions about what's happening across one or many of your processes. It can be the ultimate operations question and answer agent, or it can be the documentation agent that takes your documentation from, B plus to A plus. So you can see that it is getting to work, and I will go ahead and pause this video. Once it's done, I will replay and show you the difference. All right, so Claude has finished its work. And if I come into this step card now, look at the level of detail that we have in this one step card that explains why F5 bought, the keywords that we're actually tracking within here, how to maintain it, and things that we need to watch out for. And that goes for each one of these steps. I mean, this one right here is a person step where the community manager has to review and tweak the Reddit post. So you can see, look, we have this SOP level checklist where the community manager goes through, decides whether it's reply, skip, or flag, rewrite the AI draft to sound like you. We even have voice rules. Really, really good stuff. And the steps that didn't have any documentation, look at how much documentation we have now. This is just one of many use cases for Claude, but to take your documentation from B plus to A plus, use Claude. Prompt Claude to go reach into Puzzle, pull information, and then work with it so that it can improve your documentation and bring it to the point where anyone can go into this process and understand exactly how it's done.